This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course. I'm on Unit 3, Animation and Games, Lesson 18, Collisions, Part 6. I see a bunch of code. I want to know what it does. Run. Ooh, parrots. Those kind of look like angry birds. Bye. Bye, bird. And is this... Okay, so we're going to be using those two animations. Let's see here. More collision blocks. 3 new types of sprite interactions have been added to the toolbox. Excellent. Sprite.collide, sprite.bounce, and sprite.bounceoff. How do you think they'll affect the sprite? Well, I bet collide means when they collide. Bounce is going to have them bounce up and down, and sprite bounce off. Okay. Do this. Switch out the displace block for the sprite collide. Oh, maybe they stop then? Sprite bounce and sprite.bounce off. Hint, if you're having trouble doing this with the blocks, switch over to text mode. Okay. Discuss with your neighbor. Hello, neighbor. What is the difference between the 4 different sprite interactions? What do you think the purpose is of each block? All right, let's see here. So we need the sprite.displace. So we want to switch that out with, here, bounce is at top. I'm going to drop that in here. And we have a parrot and a penguin. Parrot and penguin. Let's test out what this does. Bye, guys. Okay, so bounce means they bounce off each other and fly in the other direction. Let's try bounce off. And I'm just going to copy Control-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac and Control-V, Control-V, so I don't have to rewrite their names. Let's hit reset and run. Bounce off. Oh, so, okay, so whoever's over here, we're saying, hey, parrot, you're going to bounce off the penguin, right? Because if we switch these, it's gonna paste and copy and paste, Control-C, Control-V, let's see. Yep, so now the penguin bounces off the parrot. Cool, and then collide, I think collide's going to make them stop. Let's see. Oh. Oh no, it makes them stick together though. Cool. So collide is when they kind of stuck together. Bounce was when they both bounced off. And then bounce off was when the one bounced off the other direction. And displace is where they were pushing in opposite directions, right? Because collide, they stuck together. Cool, I love all the options we have. I'm excited to put these to use.